Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Al Haramain. Some of you will know that House of Al Haramain is quite dear to me. I've been buying, using, reviewing their fragrances for a long time. I think I was one of the first to review their fragrances and put them on YouTube. Anyway, so from time to time they send me fragrances to review. Very few in between. Majority of the Al Haramain I bought them myself because I love the house, I love the quality, I love the prices. So the ratio between what I pay and what I get is super high. And when I saw this beauty from House of Al Haramain, this is new release from them. It's only for £20. If you go to alharamain.co.uk you can find it for £20, which for me, I thought, wow, for 30 ml pure perfume oil, not pure, perfume oil for £30, I had to get it and see how it goes. So before I unbox, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate your support. Thank you very much, and let's go. So as you can see, it's a nice colorful box with some nice design on it. It's like a jewelry design, and this one in particular called Mukhamria Maliki Gold. So there are two in this line. I bought both of them, Mukhamria Maliki Gold and Mukhamria Maliki Silver. So I'm doing the first impression unboxing for the gold one, and it says concentrated pure perfume oil, 30 ml, shake before you use. Alright, here we go. So sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing you can't do anything about it. Okay, so it's a nice design to it. Al Haramain always give you everything plus the kitchen sink in terms of what you pay and what you get. Okay, so it's a 30 ml. It's very heavy bottle. Goodness me, that bottle is like 100 ml. It's so heavy. So let's shake it a little bit, as they say. And obviously because this is oil, it's a screw top, so it's not a spray. So you screw it this way, and here we go. Hold on, let me put just a little bit on my skin. Here we go. The good thing about oils is they are concentrated. You don't need much, only a drop or two, and they will project and they will last a very long time. Here we go. So this one is Mukhamria Maliki Gold. How is the smell? So you know that perfumes, especially in the Middle East, in the East, was used in many forms. A majority for a long time it was burning, like burning woods or burning incense, and then came the oils. The oil's been around almost for maybe 1,000 years or even more. So for the longest time people used oil when they were buying perfume and they were applying it. And then with the modern perfumery, sprays came to play, especially from European countries, especially from France. And the spray has been around probably just over 100 years or 120 years or something like that. So before that, perfumes were oil. Okay, you couldn't go and buy a sprayer; it didn't exist. So this is traditional way. This is old ways, and this is it's been like this for hundreds of years, centuries in Middle East and in some parts of Asia. Here we go. Very saffrony. So first thing it hits me is the saffron, and the saffron here is very spicy, and is very, it's quite leathery as well. Very spicy, spice. I can smell rose. So this is I haven't smelled oud yet, but the first thing hits me is the saffron, and then after that is the rose. It's a big musk in here. Wow, this is very nice, especially for a price for £20. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's just up my alley. It's very Middle Eastern, it's very Arabic, it's very Oriental, and so spices, yes. The saffron is big, and then after saffron is the rose. I can smell some other white florals, maybe jasmine in here as well. There's a sweetness, probably come from something like vanilla. It's quite underlying sweetness to it. As I said, it's quite musky. It's a little bit of amber feel to it as well. It's quite warm, but it's one of those oils that you can use it all year round. It's just Swiss knife. You can use it in winter, in warm weather. You can use it in going out, casual. You can use it daytime, nighttime. You can use it informal, formal. Very versatile. For the 30 ml, for such a beautiful smell, that is a bargain. Usually in Middle East, very high-end perfumes are oils, and those very high-end perfumes, they cost, for this amount, they cost £400-600. But the majority of those are very precious oils in them, like pure oud or pure musk or something that is very precious. This one obviously is they making it for mass, and smells very good. It smells still beautiful, but obviously it's not as precious as those very high-end ones. Absolutely gorgeous. So as you could see, as you saw, I just put a dab. Okay, it's just a tiny bit, the smallest amount you could put. It's like a drop. Okay, and that drop is filling the room right now. So that's a good thing about oils, because they are so concentrated. When you put 1, 2, 3 dabs, or 1, 2, 3 drops, that's it. They will last you all day. They project all day. They are very good, especially around you, because it's oil, because it's heavy. It doesn't shout. The projection won't be very far. It's very quite closer to the skin, but you always have a bubble around you, so anybody come close to you or you walk around, you will leave a trail, and that trail with the oils are the best. The trail and also personal space. Absolutely gorgeous. So biggest player: saffron, rose, jasmine, musk, little bit of ambery feel, little bit of earthy feel as well. Probably is a patchouli in here. Majority of the Middle fragrances, they utilize patchouli, because patchouli, I'm a big fan of patchouli anyway, but patchouli, it gives that warmth, that earthiness, that beautiful gooey feel to the fragrance. And this is very gooey. Well, it's gooey because it's oil anyway. Wow, when you shake it, it goes very dark and thick. So this is amazing. So for £20 for first impression, first sniff, absolutely yes, 2 thumbs up. I absolutely love it. But it's one of those, it's a little bit on the mature side. Okay, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. applying it is one of those things that you have to acquire a taste for it, because majority of people are used to sprays. When they get something like this, it's like a little bit of inconvenient for them, but once you know how to apply and you use a few times, you get used to it very easily. You know, it's not rocket science, it's not a very difficult thing, but it's one of those things that you need to get used to, okay? But I'm used to it because I'm from that part of the world. I use many oils before, many perfumes, oils before, and this is up my alley. Absolutely gorgeous, very very beautiful smell, very uplifting, very inviting, very sweet, very earthy, very warm. So the saffron and the rose and the jasmine making it superbly beautiful, plus the earthiness coming from the patchouli, little ambery feel to it, and also very very musky. So this musk is another component that is utilized in Middle Eastern and Eastern fragrances a lot. It used to be natural, for obvious reasons. Is, you know, they banned it because it's coming from they had to get it from an animal, basically. It's an animal based product, and for a good reason they stopped it. So these days the musk are, majority of the musk are, you know, lab made, you know, man made, synthetic. But there are different qualities. There are some cheaper ones, some very very good ones, and this smells very very good, and it smells quite natural. Overall, it smells quite natural. Yeah, there's no harshness, there's no syntheticness, there's nothing in here. Okay guys, thank you very much. I'll let you know in the next video the longevity and performance and things like this. But for first impression, first Sniff, yes, I'm loving it. For £20, this is a bargain. I'll see you in the next video. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are very good value for money. They smell amazing, they are very intriguing, very artistic, very unique, and they are super beast mode. But you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. I have 17 of them, so you can there's almost everything you need for every taste. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.